your traps first, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Cool. Been a while, huh?
Oh yeah.
Just have you breathe in and breathe out for me. One more and breathe out for me. Very good. Relax your shoulders. Rock your shoulders. Very nice. Relax your shoulders. Good. How did that feel?
Nice. That felt good.
Bend your knees for me. All the way up. There you go. Perfect. Just have the pillow. Careful with the shoulder there.
Okay, no problem.
It's this one.
Yeah.
Just have you breathe in and breathe out for me. Good. One more.
Yes.
Ooh. Wow. Lift up your head for me and relax. Very nice. Just breathe normal. Remember, the last part would be like a nice pull like that, okay?
Okay.
Alright. You can breathe normal.
Holy moly. Oh. Oh. Felt that everywhere. Oh. That was good.
Yeah. That's the first time, huh?
Oh yeah, I've never done that. That was great. I felt it all the way down.
That's what we need.
Holy moly.
You're a physical person,
Oof.
right? That's what you
That was
need.
good.
Good, good. Thanks a lot.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
Wow. First time wisecraft adjustment.
Oh, that was gnarly. I've never done that. Oh man. Whoa. I didn't think it was gonna be like that. That's crazy. Oh. Okay. Oof.
Alright, let me go adjust that shoulder.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
This is just a simple adjustment.
No problem.
Relax your elbow. Collarbone. Touch your head for me. Okay. You alright?
Yeah, yeah. I'd never done that one before either. Holy moly. I felt that like even here.
Yeah, that's what we need.
Oh.
Alright, come on up, slide.
Man.
How does that feel?
Feels awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah. That
Nice.
Y strap was insane.
Well, we got to do that.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That was awesome. I
What
couldn't
did you
describe
feel?
it. I just felt everything open up.
Yeah.
From like neck down to my back. Like low back.
Yeah.
Oof.
Cool. And
That
you
was
know
gold.
Yeah.
That was gold.
Nice.
Thank
nice.
you.
That wakes
Oh
it
my
up.
God. Yeah.
Your shoulder will need a lot of work too.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna keep on doing that. At the same time, I'm still need to be very careful with your shoulder.
Sure.
Okay, because of your previous injury. But that's it.
Okay.
For any sore spots, you're gonna have sore spots.
Okay.
Put some ice.
Okay.
Okay, I know you drink a lot of water, so you gotta drink water.
Yeah.
Especially today, wash out your system.
No
Okay. And then my recommendation, just this month of May,
Mhm.
once or twice a week,
Okay.
maybe just once.
Okay.
Just the month of May, and then we'll spread it out like June, maybe every 2 weeks, or every 4 weeks.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
But I definitely want to see you next week.
Awesome.
All right?
Yeah, yeah.
Cool, man.
Awesome. Thank you.
Nice to meet you,
That was
Mr.
awesome.
Felix.
Pleasure.
Very cool. Say
Pleasure.
bye.
See you.